Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to charge BMW 1 Series key, full guide. Start by preparing a clean work area and gathering a small flat tool, replacement battery, and soft cloth to protect the key. Inspect the key for a removable cover or screw and note the battery type printed inside. Work slowly to avoid bending contacts and keep small parts together so nothing gets lost during reassembly. Begin by locating the seam or release slot on the BMW 1 Series key and use a flat tool to gently separate the halves. Once open, observe how the battery sits and note its orientation before removing it. Lift the battery straight out to avoid bending contact springs, then place it on a cloth and compare markings to ensure you purchase an identical replacement for correct voltage and fit. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips and guides. Quick recommendation. I recently enjoyed The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can change how you think about money and smart buying decisions, like investing in quality tools for car care. Look in the description for the link and deals, and if that sounds useful, grab a copy. Now let's get back to the video. With the replacement battery in hand, align it exactly as the original and press it gently into place so the contacts touch securely. Reassemble the key casing until you hear a firm click and wipe the exterior clean. Stand near the vehicle and press lock and unlock to confirm remote functions, then test keyless entry and start authorization if applicable, ensuring the key communicates reliably with your BMW before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.